Now this is 2012 Ford Fusion. I'm going to show you all the fuse box location. There is one that really hiding, but I will start with the easy one, which is inside the engine compartment. Again, this is the Ford Fusion, and this one will cover all the generation model 2010 to 2012. The first one is right here next to the battery. Right here is easy one to find, this black box right here. You pop it up and you find the fuse box right there. Comes with the fuses and some relays, and then on the back of the cover you find the diagram and the layout of the fuses right there. And then to put a cover back is just press down like that. That is the first fuse box. The next one is really hidden, so if you want to see it right now, make sure you hit that subscribe button as we go. Also, let me know what you think on the comment section. So the next one is right here on the driver's side. I don't know whether popping this cover will help, but we're gonna pop it out because it's really hiding. I'll try to put some angle for you to see it. So from here you can access the fuse box right from here, but difficult for you to see it from the camera. So we're gonna come all the way down to the pedals, and then come back up, and you'll find this black box right here. We're going to pop it out. It's got some tabs on the sides, so we're going to pop those tabs right there and then pop it out. I don't know why they put it all the way up there. So there we go. That is a second fuse box right there. You got a lot of fuses. See, I see a relay too. There we go. So this is the cover. On the back you find the fuse removing tool right there, but the fuse diagram is on top right there, and it's just the fuse numbers. And then you compare these numbers on the owner's menu. You find the fuses and these numbers being illustrated very well, so you gotta know which fuse number you're looking for in order for you to interpret on the owner's menu. Now there is this tab right here, and this one, when you place them together, that's how you pop it out, and the same way we're going to put it back. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned again. Jeff Carbuoy here on 2012 Ford Fusion. Let me know what you think on the comment section. See you guys on the next one.